No kidney patient will ever lose a kidney again. Top 6 drinks to reverse kidney damage. Kidney disease is one of the here's. Welcome to Health Living UK, your go-to place for pain relief tips, healthy food ideas, and overall well-being. Breaking news for kidney health. No kidney patient will ever have to lose a kidney again. Imagine reversing kidney damage naturally, with just 6 powerful drinks, and science backs it up. Stay with us, because the last drink on this list could be a game changer for your kidney health. Don't miss out. Breaking news for kidney patients. What if I told you that no kidney patient will ever have to lose a kidney again? Yes, you heard that right. Science and nature have given us powerful drinks that can help reverse kidney damage and restore kidney function naturally. But which ones actually work? Stay tuned, because we're revealing the top 6 kidney-saving drinks that could change your life forever. Silent killers that affects millions of people worldwide. The kidneys are essential for filtering waste, balancing fluids, and keeping the body's overall health in check. But what happens when they start failing? What if I told you that no kidney patient will ever have to lose a kidney again? That's right. Today, we're diving deep into a life-changing topic: 6 powerful drinks that can help reverse kidney damage and restore kidney function naturally. Before we get into the list, let's talk about why your kidneys are so important. These bean-shaped organs work 24/7, cleaning your blood, removing toxins, and regulating key minerals like potassium and sodium. However, unhealthy lifestyle choices, poor diet, dehydration, and underlying conditions like diabetes and high blood pressure can severely impact kidney health. Many people don't even realize they have kidney problems until it's too late. That's why it's crucial to act now, before irreversible damage occurs. The good news is that nature has given us powerful drinks that can nourish, cleanse, and rejuvenate our kidneys. And today, we're revealing 6 of them. Make sure to watch till the end, because the last drink on this list is an absolute game changer for kidney health. Let's start with an ancient remedy that has been used for centuries: lemon water. Yes, something as simple as lemon water can be a lifesaver for your kidneys. Lemons are packed with citric acid, which helps prevent kidney stones by breaking down calcium deposits. Additionally, lemon water acts as a natural diuretic, flushing out toxins and reducing the burden on your kidneys. Drinking a glass of warm lemon water first thing in the morning can kickstart your metabolism and support kidney function. But wait, don't just drink it plain. For added benefits, mix it with a teaspoon of honey to enhance its detoxifying properties. Moving on to the second miracle drink: cranberry juice. If you've ever dealt with urinary tract infections, you've probably heard about the wonders of cranberries. But did you know that they are also incredibly beneficial for your kidneys? Cranberries contain proanthocyanidins, powerful antioxidants that prevent bacteria from sticking to the urinary tract, reducing the risk of infections that could harm the kidneys. Not only that, but cranberry juice also helps to remove excess oxalates, which can contribute to kidney stones. The key is to go for unsweetened cranberry juice. Too much sugar can do more harm than good. Now, let's talk about a green powerhouse that has been used in traditional medicine for ages: parsley tea. You might think of parsley as just a garnish, but it's actually one of the best kidney cleansing herbs out there. Parsley is rich in vitamin C, beta-carotene, and chlorophyll, all of which work together to detoxify the kidneys and reduce inflammation. It acts as a natural diuretic, helping to flush out toxins and excess salt. Simply steep fresh parsley in hot water for a few minutes, strain, and drink up. This tea not only supports kidney function, but also boosts immunity and promotes overall health. Add a squeeze of lemon for an extra detox boost. Drink number 4 is something you probably already have in your kitchen: ginger tea. This warming, anti-inflammatory drink is packed with gingerols and shogols, compounds that help reduce oxidative stress in the kidneys. Studies suggest that ginger can lower blood sugar levels, which is crucial for preventing kidney damage in diabetics. It also helps improve circulation, ensuring that your kidneys receive the oxygen and nutrients they need to function properly. Drinking a cup of ginger tea daily can enhance kidney health and fight inflammation at the same time. Plus, it's great for digestion and boosting your immune system. We're getting close to the ultimate kidney-saving drink, but first, let's talk about beet juice. Beets are rich in nitrates and antioxidants, which improve blood flow and reduce oxidative stress in the kidneys. They also contain beta-alanine, a pigment that gives beets their deep red color and helps support detoxification. Beet juice can enhance kidney filtration, reduce inflammation, and even lower blood pressure, which is a major risk factor for kidney disease. However, if you have a history of kidney stones, consume beet juice in moderation as it contains oxalates. To make the most of its benefits, mix beet juice with carrots or apples for a refreshing, kidney-loving drink. And now, for the most powerful drink of all, the golden elixir for kidneys, turmeric milk. If you've never heard of golden milk, you're in for a treat. This ancient Ayurvedic drink is made with turmeric, milk, and a pinch of black pepper to enhance absorption. Turmeric contains curcumin, a potent anti-inflammatory compound that protects the kidneys from fibrosis and oxidative stress. It also helps to reduce protein loss in urine, a common issue in kidney disease. Drinking a warm glass of turmeric milk before bed not only supports kidney health, but also improves sleep and reduces overall inflammation in the body. To make it even more powerful, add a teaspoon of coconut oil for better absorption. Now that we've covered these 6 incredible drinks, let's talk about how to incorporate them into your daily routine. Start your day with warm lemon water. Have cranberry juice or parsley tea mid-morning. Sip on ginger tea in the afternoon. Enjoy beet juice as an energy booster. And wind down with turmeric milk at night. By doing this consistently, you'll give your kidneys the best chance to heal and function optimally. But wait, what should you avoid? Just as important as consuming kidney-friendly drinks is staying away from processed foods, excessive salt, sugary drinks, and alcohol. These can overburden your kidneys and accelerate damage. Instead, focus on a whole food, plant-based diet that includes lots of hydrating foods like cucumbers, watermelon, and leafy greens. Now, here's a question for you. Which one of these drinks are you going to try first? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips. Remember, taking care of your kidneys today means a healthier future tomorrow. Stay healthy and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching Health Living UK. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more health and wellness tips.